Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word volumetrically. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The chemical reaction was analyzed volumetrically to determine the concentration of the unknown substance. Volumetrically refers to a method of measuring volume or quantity, typically using a calibrated container or equipment to determine the amount of a substance. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.